Hi everyone, welcome to this webinar about high converting pop-up strategies. I will first give you a brief introduction. After that, I will walk you through the 4 different pop-up strategies that will give you a lot of extra conversions. Each strategy will always be demonstrated with a few examples of how you could make your visitors convert and some real-life cases. I will share some very important lessons at the end of the webinar, right before offering you a special gift. Websites usually have a lot of information that is spread over multiple pages and is not always easy to find. This often results in visitors getting lost on a website or getting frustrated that they can't find what they're looking for. And eventually, they will leave the website without a conversion. This can cost your business a lot, while it can be easily solved. Pop-ups can help you get closer to your visitors and guide them to the pages you'd like them to see. Another key benefit is that you can push relevant info their way or collect info like their contact details. They have endless possibilities. However, just be careful not to throw just anything at your visitors because this will cause annoyance as well. Don't just throw anything at your visitors. Instead, carefully think about your pop-up strategy and how it fits your business, its goals, and the most important part, how it actually helps the receiver. Let's dive into the different strategies to see what possibilities pop-ups can have for your company. The first way to use pop-ups effectively is to capture valuable leads that you can pull deeper into a conversion with your own marketing channels later on. Your most valuable lead magnets might not be immediately visible to your audience. You can use a pop-up to offer the lead magnet and capture the email addresses. After this, they will receive an email with your content attached, and you can retarget them later on with follow-ups that could result in a sale. It's essential to offer something that fixes their pain points or solves a specific problem. This first strategy's goal isn't necessarily to make direct sales. It's to offer something valuable that will keep you on top of your future customers' mind and to shift the focus towards the value of your product rather than the price. This creates trust. It shows expertise and shows you're not just there to make the sale, but you would like to educate your audience as well. Another benefit is that we have a natural tendency to do something for someone that has done something for us before. Attractive lead magnets for B2C markets could be deals, blogs, ebooks, exclusive content, or product examples. In recruitment, for example, you could push a blog that educates your audience on how to nail a job interview or what to keep in mind when writing a CV. In B2B focused industries, powerful lead magnets like ebooks, white papers, or case studies furthermore help you position yourself as an industry expert and create trust in your brand and knowledge. Absolute Jobs is a Belgian employment agency that has leveraged the lead capture strategy perfectly with its job alert pop-up. They have strong expertise in recruitment and a specialization in employing skilled employees for bottleneck jobs. Absolute Jobs wanted to be able to retarget job seekers that couldn't find the vacancies they were looking for. They launched a job alert and gave visitors multiple opportunities to subscribe to these job alerts throughout various touchpoints on the website, one of them being a pop-up. By subscribing, visitors will receive jobs that match their skills and will be interesting for them, straight into their mailboxes. This makes it easier for them to stay up to date with new vacancies without having to go back to the website and having to browse jobs over and over again. To give certain visitors an extra incentive to register for the job alert, Absolute Jobs decided to trigger a pop up with the job registration form. This gives their visitors a last chance to subscribe to the job alert and shows job alert once more to visitors that might not have noticed it on the other pages. The second strategy focuses more on closing the deal. The big difference between in person and online services is that there isn't a helpful salesperson who welcomes you and asks if they can assist. This may cause your audience to be a bit overwhelmed by all the options your business has to offer and might lead to them totally freezing and abandoning your website. Narrow your visitors' attention with a pop up that guides them to the right product, job opening, or any conversion that might be useful to them at that specific moment and eliminate possible distractions that keep them from converting. Fight the paradox of choice by simply offering just what is relevant to someone and leading your audience to the right choice. Recommending the right vacancies is a very effective and high converting practice in the recruitment industry. Your visitors might have clicked on a job opening on your website, but doesn't fit the requirements. Recommending similar jobs and leading them to other relevant vacancies not only lends you a possible candidate, it also gets them to see other options that might be the right for them and that they otherwise might not have found. If you're an e-commerce brand, another critical task your pop-up could take over from what would typically be a salesperson's job is upselling or cross-selling other products your business has to offer. Whenever someone adds something to their shopping cart, a pop-up can help you recommend other products or services that could enhance your customer's purchase. It's very important, and I cannot stress this enough, to only offer recommendations that actually enhance someone's purchase. Don't recommend tennis shoes to someone that had just added soccer clothes to his basket, for example. Unique is a Belgian recruitment and staffing company that has been active in the recruitment industry for 40 years. They are part of RGF Staffing, one of the biggest HR service providers in the world. Unique experienced a high bounce rate from visitors that couldn't immediately find the jobs they were looking for. If they opened a vacancy, but it didn't match their needs, they would often just close the website and continue their search elsewhere, instead of going back to browse the other vacancies. This resulted in a lot of potential interesting candidates getting lost, and a lot of vacancies not getting the attention they deserved. To fight this, they decided to launch pop-ups that gets triggered when someone is about to leave their website. This pop-up will show other relevant vacancies to the visitors that match his interest and the vacancy he was looking for before. Recommending other relevant vacancies to future candidates results in 10% of the people that interact with one of the jobs finishing the job application. Pop-ups are the ideal tool to give you a second and often last chance to get your audience to convert. Make sure to use the right triggers and use them at the right time to let the message be as relevant and valuable as possible. especially when someone is about to leave your website. One way to push your audience over the edge is by offering them a discount. Who doesn't love discount, right? Did you know that 59% of shoppers look for discount codes before they make a purchase online? Offering a discount not only often gives you a new customer, but it also enables you to gather information like an email address that can be used for marketing purposes later on. Launching a discount pop-up proves itself to be very useful for visitors that show exit intent. Give them that extra little incentive to stay and, more importantly, finish their conversion or purchase. Conversational pop-ups are here to make your marketer's life a lot easier. It's often combined with a discount, but the goal is a little different. The discount pop-up from the last slide is specifically aimed towards quickly finishing a conversion and getting your visitors to finish its purchase. A conversational pop-up, as in the name, is more like a conversation with your visitor. This pop-up is designed to get to know your visitor. It allows you to segment your audience and understand their needs more. A better understanding automatically results in more targeted and relevant marketing opportunities afterwards, and thus being able to deliver more value to your potential customer. Conversational pop-ups aren't only useful in e-commerce. If you're a recruitment company, you could use this kind of pop-up to get to know your possible candidates better, even though you don't have a suitable job for them right now. This this kind of pop-up allows you to collect their interests, segment them, and retarget them with relevant jobs that match their criteria, skills, or interests later on. Another push strategy that often works is putting a time limit on your offer. People will be persuaded much more easily when their offer is time bound because they feel like losing if they don't act quickly enough. This has everything to do with our basic instinct of loss aversion. We hate losing and therefore often don't want to take the risk of actually losing something. Play into this loss aversion by showing a pop up with a time limited offer to make people convert more easily. Gently reminding your visitors that they have forgotten to complete their purchase or application with a pop up is a great way to increase your conversions. Make the interaction easy by offering them to continue where they left off instead of making them start from scratch. Chances are they're still interested in the same thing and would like to finish that specific conversion. A great and very effective example of the reminder pop-up can be found on StartPeople's website. StartPeople is a Belgian recruitment and staffing company that is active in the Netherlands and France as well. They are part of RGS Staffing, one of the biggest HR server providers in the world. To this day, StartPeople ranks second in the Belgian temporary staffing sector with more than 50 offices, putting an average of 10,000 employees to work each day. StartPeople experienced a high rate of unfinished application forms, resulting in a lot of potentially great candidates getting lost. To fight this problem, they decided to launch a pop-up that reminds candidates to finish their applications. Adding this pop-up to the website and into the customer journey resulted in 30% of the people that get to see the pop-up eventually completing their application. One final and extremely direct way to use pop-ups is to push through a specific message that needs to be delivered to your entire audience rather than just a segment of it. This can be particular sale that you need to get rid of, a vacancy that desperately needs more applications, or a competition that you're running. Be careful when implementing this strategy, though, as it can scare some possible clients away. So now, 4 important lessons to keep in mind of this webinar. Think about your customer journey first and how you can enhance it. Second of all, work out a pop-up strategy that is in line with your goals and your customers' needs. Third of all, trigger the right pop-up at the right time to maximize your conversions and to minimize irritation. And last but not least, follow up correctly once you've gathered valuable customer information like an email address. So now a bit more about TechLayer. With TechLayer, we want to create a better customer experience for everyone. We do this by making the experience unique. At the left side, you see the normal website, and we make sure that it's unique for every little visitor. We do this across different channels, so we make it possible to personalize the customer journey across the website, email, push notifications, social channels, and even WhatsApp. We make it very easy to start. It's less than a 2-hour setup. There's no code required, and our clients see a very nice return on investment. We help companies in different industries like recruitment industry, media, real estate, e-commerce, automotive, but also SaaS. And to end, I have a special gift for you. If you want to improve your pop-up strategy and your customer experience strategy, we have a free customer experience analysis for you, where we will analyze your current customer experience and we will come with some improvements. Also, make sure to keep an eye on my LinkedIn profile, because the next webinar I will host will be about recommendations. I hope you enjoyed the webinar a lot, that you learned a lot, and I hope to see you during the next webinar. Bye!